Working like a charm, understanding English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we're unraveling the meaning behind the phrase, like a charm. If you've ever wondered about this charming expression, stay tuned. Like a charm is an idiom used to describe something that works very effectively, often in an easy or magical way. Imagine something working so smoothly and perfectly that it seems like magic. That's like a charm. This phrase likely has its roots in the belief in magical charms and spells. In ancient times, people believed that a charm, a small amulet or spell, could bring good luck or make things happen as desired. So, when something works, like a charm, it's as if it has been blessed by some magical force. To get a better sense of how to use this idiom, let's look at some examples. I was having trouble with my laptop, but after the update, it's running like a charm. I was nervous about the interview, but your advice worked like a charm. Use this idiom when you want to express that something is functioning exceptionally well. It's often used after a solution has been found to a problem, and the result is surprisingly good. This idiom can be used in both formal and informal settings. However, it might be more common in casual conversation or in narratives to add a bit of flair to the description of a successful action or event. And that's a wrap on like a charm. Now you can add this expression to your English repertoire and use it when things are going surprisingly well. Until our next video, keep practicing, and may your language learning journey work like a charm.